What is MKE, and then why Mirantis came out, and then we'll talk about the evolution.
Sure. So let's start with the question of what is MKE? MKE is the Mirantis distribution of Kubernetes. We consider it a platform of Kubernetes, but not a PaaS. It is part of the Docker heritage that we have earned back from Docker over the years. We have it running around 300,000 plus nodes over several thousand customers. It's a complete Kubernetes platform, so you can take it, deploy it, and you have a working Kubernetes out of the gate with all the basics, including the ingress, the RBAC, the CNIs, the CSIs, and a full support model around that to guarantee production level grade working at scale within our customers. The majority of our customers today, well, we've got a very broad range, but a lot of financial services and a lot of regulated environments. So that's where MKE is right now. As I mentioned, MKE is a iteration of the Docker enterprise. Was based on a very particular architecture that Docker put together. Well, we're going back 6 or 7 years now. And we've had a goal to modernize the MKE architecture over the last couple of years. So we've now, with the new MKE 4 release, we've modernized that architecture, we've simplified that architecture, but really importantly, we've moved to a composable Kubernetes architecture. MKE 3 was a lot more monolithic in its architecture and design. MKE 4 has moved to a composable architecture based on K0s. So as you know, Mirantis delivered the K0s distribution for the first time in 2020. We've now gotten a lot of adoption of K0s. And we believe that K0s has reached that maturity point that it's now ready for our enterprise customers. As a result, we've created something called the Blueprint Operator. The Blueprint Operator allows us to compose those Kubernetes platforms for our customers' needs. The Blueprint Operator allows customers to pick those services that they require to create that platform, as well as deploy and manage that MKE look and feel, which is really, really important to our customer base. MKE 4 is an in-place upgrade of MKE 3, so it's really from a customer point of view, from a user point of view, it's just the next generation of the update. That architecture change happens magically, no, completely abstracted from the customer underneath the hood, and then brings that composability into the environments for large-scale Kubernetes clusters.